Oh, so check out this Odyssey. You put in the water in the tank.
Yeah, and the pump. There's a pump to pump water out there all the way to the engine.
All right.
And it gets exchanged with heat in
Yeah.
the engine. It comes back in here and keeps on doing that until it gets hot.
All right.
For 15 gallons, it takes about 45 minutes to get hot.
45 what?
Minutes.
With the car idling or driving?
Driving.
Oh.
Okay. After that, then you change this, turn this off, and another valve on, and then that pump will pump water upward for you to take a shower from up here. So I have a curtain that blocks this off so that it doesn't get water wet over there.
Okay.
Kind of thing.
And so the bed tilts up, or it stays like how it is?
It goes up, go back a little bit.
And then you stand here and shower?
You just sit here.
Oh, you sit here?
Yeah, you sit here, you shower, and then you see there's a hole right there.
Yeah.
That's another hole right here. So there's a hole on each side,
Yeah.
and it drains the water out.
So this is where it goes out of the car.
Yeah.
And what do you need this hole for?
No, there's two holes. So when you can park, there's two drain holes.
Oh, drain holes.
Yeah.
To leave.
Yeah.
So the other drain hole is underneath here.
Yeah.
So I don't see it.
Yeah.
Oh, not this hole.
No.
Got it. And then where is the pump? So the pump is inside this black box?
It's right there. You see that brown one?
Yeah.
That's the pump.
Oh. And this is a box you buy?
This is a gas tank.
To what?
If it fits that, to whatever.
To whatever it is.
Yeah, you buy on eBay for $80.
Oh, it's made of metal or aluminum?
Aluminum.
Oh. And then it comes with no fittings, or you have to like drill your own fittings?
It comes with, it just comes with the holes, the fittings, but you have to buy the brass fitting to put it on.
Oh. But
It comes with a nipple, basically.
you don't have to type anything out. You just have to find that right size.
Yeah. It comes like this. This one. Yeah.
That piece of metal is what it came with?
Yeah.
But that's aluminum?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's I forget, it's like AT something. I forgot what this is called, but it's a compression fitting.
Okay.
And then this is just an air return from the return line.
So when you drive for 45 minutes, you have 50 gallons of hot water.
15 gallons. Yeah.
Oh, 15.
Yeah.
And then, is that good for two people to shower?
More
Or
than
is
plenty.
is 5 gallons a person?
It's more than plenty.
Oh. And so total material is like $120?
Something like that. I bought this hosing, like $5 for the whole thing.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Did you eat yet?
No, yeah, I ate lunch.
That's it.
Yeah. I'm still full. I got a big lunch. That's why.
Honey, he put fiberglass back here,
Yeah.
and he has a water tank, and in this water tank, the water goes to the engine, it comes back, and it's hot. And from there, he pumps the water into his body while he sits here, and the water drains out of this hole into the ground.
Wow.
So he gets hot water free driving to the
So
location.
it's kind of like a camping van.
Yes, this is my smaller version. I have a bigger one.
Oh wow.
So I just went to San Luis Obispo for the weekend.
Did you get to use it?
No, my friend has a shower. It's at a hotel. But
Wow.
during COVID, we used this to go out and stay in the van. We sleep in the van.
Oh wow.
How long? How much is the fiberglass to buy?
I don't know. I bought it cheap.
And then you just layer after layer after layer,
There's 3 layers.
and you have to buy the chemicals separate in a can.
Yeah.
How many cans is that?
It's not even one. It's
And it's the same. It's the same can. It's not like a different material. Just,
No, it's I bought a gallon. It's a 2 gallon container, and
you have to use one and then use the other. Or?
they mix together.
Oh.
So it's a 50-50 mix epoxy.
and then you put the first layer on, or you dip it inside the tanker.
So what I did was I lay the fiberglass down, the aluminum foil.
Oh.
You see the aluminum foil that's
Yeah.
left? Some of it got stuck and I couldn't get it off. But basically the aluminum foil can't allows it to stick to the doesn't stick to the carpet because
Yeah.
the carpet's still underneath here.
Yeah.
I didn't remove the carpet like you can see right here.
All right. So the aluminum is the barrier between it hits the carpet,
Yeah.
and then you paint on the glue onto
Yeah,
the aluminum, and then you put the fiberglass on.
Yeah.
And then the next one is already set, and you do.
Yeah.
And how long before it gets a little bit
So
rigid?
this one is like one or two layer. This one is a little thicker.
Wow. That's awesome. Very cool.